Hello, everyone! Witness the remarkable transformations that occur in your body when you adopt the daily habit of consuming flax seeds. This is an opportunity that will leave a mark throughout human history. Flax plants, with their pioneering significance in the Americas, initially in textile production, reveal in their seeds, whether brown or golden, a treasure trove of mild flavor and versatility. These seeds stand out as remarkable ingredients in various recipes, from nutritious smoothies to delicious breads, adding not just flavor, but also significant health benefits. Do not miss the opportunity to transform your health journey by embracing the power of flax seeds. Although the history of flax seeds is remarkable, it is surprising that a significant portion of the population is still unaware of the numerous health benefits these little wonders offer. This video aims not only to highlight the historical richness of these seeds, but also to deepen understanding of how their systematic inclusion in the diet can result in a wide range of health benefits, easily surpassing a dozen positive aspects. Throughout this exploration, we will closely examine the nutritional and functional properties of flax seeds, addressing issues such as their rich composition in omega-3 fatty acids, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. Furthermore, we will discuss recent scientific studies that support these benefits, providing a more holistic view of how these seeds can be a valuable component in promoting robust and balanced health. Recalling the times when flax seeds were generously sprinkled on banana bread by mothers, it is fascinating to note that a common serving of a tablespoon of ground flax seeds, totaling approximately 7 g, offers a comprehensive range of essential nutrients. In addition to the notable presence of fibers, proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids, these seeds present a wealth of vitamins and minerals crucial for health. With a nutritional composition of 37 calories, this serving includes 1.3 g of protein, 2 g of carbohydrates, 1.9 g of fibers, and 3 g of healthy fats. It's noteworthy that this small portion corresponds to 8% of the daily needs for vitamin B1, exemplifying the nutritional density of these seeds. We would like to know how you prefer to enjoy these little wonders. Share your preferences in the comments below. It's worth noting that flax seeds are not just a tasty option, but also play a crucial role in reducing the risk of various types of cancer. Scientific studies reveal that regular consumption of these seeds can significantly contribute to the prevention of cancers such as breast, prostate, colon, and skin. However, it is vital to emphasize the importance of moderation, with a daily intake recommendation of approximately 50 grams to optimize health benefits. For many women, appetite management and support for weight loss are crucial benefits. Flax seeds, known for their richness in proteins, fibers, and low caloric content, emerge as valuable allies in this process. If your goal is weight loss, it is advisable to consider the regular inclusion of flax seeds in your daily routine, especially benefiting from the presence of soluble fibers. These fibers not only contribute to a lasting feeling of fullness, but also play a significant role in effective weight management. Besides being recognized for their beneficial properties for weight loss, flax seeds also play a crucial role in promoting hair health. With the significant presence of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, these seeds offer essential nutrients that nourish the scalp, stimulate hair growth, and help prevent common problems such as hair loss, dryness, and dandruff. It is recommended to try the method of flaxseed oil to obtain hair that is not only shiny, but also healthy in a comprehensive way. Hot flashes associated with menopause represent a common challenge for many women. However, flax seeds emerge as an effective solution to alleviate these symptoms. The rich content in lignans, endowed with antioxidant properties, plays a key role in hormonal balance, thus contributing to a significant reduction in symptoms associated with menopause, including the bothersome hot flashes. Incorporating flax seeds regularly into the diet can be a valuable strategy to face this life stage with more comfort. The fight against skin aging finds an effective ally in the regular use of flax seeds. Whether preventing conditions like eczema or providing deep hydration, flaxseed oil emerges as a natural solution to preserve youth and health of the skin. Its ability to provide essential nutrients, coupled with moisturizing properties, make flax seeds a valuable choice for those seeking to maintain rejuvenated and healthy skin over time. Incorporating this habit into your daily routine is a significant step towards radiant and well-cared-for skin. Flax seeds offer substantial benefits for digestive health, standing out for their unique combination of soluble and insoluble fibers. This synergy of fibers promotes regular and efficient bowel movements, playing a significant role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The presence of soluble fibers contributes to the formation of a gel that aids in the smooth passage of waste through the digestive tract, while insoluble fibers promote the effective movement of waste, thus ensuring the regularity of bowel movements. Including flax seeds in the diet is an effective strategy to favor comprehensive digestive health. When it comes to managing cholesterol levels, flax seeds play a crucial role. Various studies indicate that daily intake of these seeds can result in a significant reduction in total and LDL cholesterol levels, partly due to the presence of fibers that bind to bile salts. This interaction assists in the effective elimination of cholesterol from the body, as the liver extracts cholesterol from the bloodstream to compensate for these bile salts. Regular inclusion of flax seeds in the diet can be a valuable strategy to maintain healthy cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular health. Flax seeds provide yet another valuable benefit by contributing to the stability of blood sugar levels. The combination of fibers and fatty acids present in these seeds plays an essential role in maintaining balanced glucose levels, reducing blood sugar spikes, and improving insulin response. This combined action makes flax seeds a promising option for individuals seeking to maintain effective control of blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for those facing challenges related to diabetes. Lastly, it is crucial to highlight the remarkable neuroprotective properties of flax seeds. These seeds, enriched with antioxidants including vitamin E, assume a crucial role in preserving brain cells, contributing significantly to the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases. By incorporating flax seeds into your daily routine, you not only enjoy their versatile flavor, but also actively promote brain health, providing a protective shield against the effects of aging and external factors. This is an invitation to take care of your brain health in a delicious and nutritious way. It is imperative to emphasize that this video is intended to provide educational information and should not be used as a substitute for personalized guidance from a healthcare professional. We invite you to join us on this journey of discovering the remarkable benefits of flax seeds for your health. However, it is crucial to remember the importance of consulting a healthcare professional for specific guidance related to your individual case. Taking care of your health in an informed and collaborative manner is the key to reaping the best results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.